Today, I'll be showing you how to stop and prevent water from leaking into the cabin of a 2014 Mustang. If you notice water pooling up in the passenger side floor pan, it's most likely coming from a clogged drain in the engine compartment. When water runs down the windshield and onto the cowl panel, it's funneled through a channel between your firewall and cabin. If the drain at the bottom of the channel is clogged, water fills up the channel and makes its way through the cabin air filter, where it settles in the floor pan. To fix the problem, locate the rubber drain inside the engine compartment on the passenger side of your Mustang. Next, pull the drain from the firewall and see if it's clogged with debris. As you can see, the drain is packed solid, preventing water from exiting the channel. Let's clean out the drain and insert it back into the firewall. If this doesn't fix the problem, remove the cowl panel and get rid of any remaining blockages in the channel. To remove the cowl, unscrew the two plastic fasteners holding it in place. With the fasteners removed, pull the cowl panel up and out to gain access to the drainage channel. I would also check the condition of your cabin air filter. If water did enter the Mustang's interior, the filter could be saturated and start to develop mold. Once the channel is cleaned out, reinstall the cowl panel, as well as the two plastic fasteners that secure it. To finish up, let's spray water on the cowl and see what happens. With the channel and drain clear, water is being directed through the engine compartment rather than into the cabin of your Mustang. There's also a rubber drain located on the driver's side that could potentially back up. Although not as common as the passenger side, a similar problem can occur. It's a good idea to clean both drains at least once a year. If removing the cowl panel for a deeper cleaning is necessary, the wiper blades will have to come off before the cowl is detached. If you'd like to learn more about the 5th generation Mustang, check out one of the video recommendations coming up next. Thanks for watching.